Hello everyone, we got a package. This is from Amazon, so should be easily tearable. Okay, so what's in here? So it's from a brand called VOGARD, and guess what it is? It is a credit card holder. So says for unisex card holder, color is black. Not sure if you're able to see. Price is 1800, which is quite inflated. And July 2025, we create engineering products, and this gets made at Kolkata. That is nice. And we have a customer care as well for us. Okay, let's open it up. Ta-da. Was looking quite premium over the internet, so I thought let's purchase this. So this is how it is. Build quality looks good. Not sure how many cards it can hold. It said around 10 to 12, but I'm not 100% sure that's true statement. Yeah, but this is how it is. It's pure metal. I think I have a magnet also. Right? No, not this one. So yeah, and it has this release button. So I'll just use one of my credit card. Let's see how we have to put it. Okay, see if it comes. Oh, nice. Good, right? And I think few can be kept in between this as well, like this. And I think some currency code, sorry, notes you can also be put. So yeah, that's it for this unboxing. So this is also metal, and it's just kind of to hold it in place. This cost me around 680 rupees on Amazon, but I think it's okay with the price what it comes with. So yeah, so this is about VOGARD credit card holder from Amazon. Thank you.